Meet the new Ford Focus. One of Britain's most loved family hatchbacks has been updated for 2018 to correspond with the Focus's 20th commemoration. It has a fresh out-of-the-box new look, more tech and toys, more trim choices, and a £17,930 beginning cost. With Volkswagen seizing second place in the UK's new auto enlistment tables with the Golf a year ago, and landings, for example, the Kia Ceed and Toyota Auris. Practically around the bend, Ford's active Focus was falling antiquated. Thus, the firm has struck back with the fourth age Focus, which is on special now in front of September conveyances. The Focus Run touches base with 7 recognizable trim levels: Style, Z-Tech, Street Line, Saint Line X, Titanium X and Vinyl. The Style begins at £17,930, bringing down the passage point to the range by £2,300, contrasted with the past age. Additionally, up is the lively-looking Saint Line, which begins at £21,570, while drivers searching for the most rich Focus have the alternative of the Vinyl, which opens the books at £25,450. Furthermore, there is a Ford Focus Active, which gives autos a SUV enhanced with additional body cladding and a 30mm taller ride tallness. A domain form has likewise been propelled, which beside the Active model, gloats an indistinguishable trim lineup. With the back seats collapsed, the home offers 1,650 litres of conveying limit, a touch in excess of a VW Golf Estate or Vauxhall Astra. Sports Tourer can overseat, however, marginally behind the enormous Škoda Octavia Estate. Come late 2019, both the home and hatchback extents will be reinforced with warm Saint adaptations. Take a brisk look at the new Focus, and you'd be pardoned for deduction. This isn't the perfect sheet configuration, Ford claims. From the nose there's an unmistakable look of the old auto, however, gaze harder and you understand it's something other than a shrewd reboot. Relatively, the Focus has developed a ton. Outside outline Chief Jordan Demke revealed to Auto Express. The Lodge sits a great deal additionally back, contrasted with the old auto, and the A columns are inclined in reverse. Include the more drawn-out hat, and there's an all the more capable look, he said. This is upgraded on the high-spec autos, on the off chance that you run for a Focus with bigger wheels. It gobbles up more sheet metal, enabling the auto to sit better. The Focus is currently lower and more extensive than previously. We have possessed the capacity to accomplish all the great measurements of auto outline, while offering more space at the edges. That perfect sheet mindset is more clear. With this auto we extremely needed to proceed inward, the planned dialect, said Demke. The past auto was styled under our kinetic outline impact, though this dialect is substantially more athletic.